Hey guys, I'm like 15 minutes from going to my job, and Bladie just got his release, so it's a bad time, but I'm still gonna do a little pulls before I go to work, see how's my luck. Hopefully I get him fast. I'm nowhere near pity, and I'm fighting at 50-50, so we'll have to see. I really want him, I don't need him, but let's go anyway. He's so cool. Gold? No. So I'm just gonna skip the 4 stars because I don't have a lot of time and I wanted it to be short. Let's do another pull. I probably have some looking from the maintenance. Oh! Oh, please be it. I want my Bladie. Bladie, come home. Come. I'm so lucky. Thanks guys for watching. Oh yeah, that's so nice. No, not another spook, but Jesus, that's awesome.